Hi guys, now I want to introduce you how to import an Autocad file into 3ds Max. The process of this importing is easier than importing the Revit file into 3ds Max, but there's something we need to notice. So let's see. Now, first of all, we select file to open the location that you save the AutoCAD file. I save it here, but as you can see, there is no AutoCAD file here. So click to choose Own Files. So now you can see that we have all of the files here with many types. And I will choose an AutoCAD file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here and open. As you can see, box here, with the model scale incoming file unit, so that the unit of the file that you want to put it into the 3dsmax Max. In the AutoCAD file, I already saved it at kilometer unit. So I want to rescale it to make it smaller or bigger. So I just pick rescale and then choose the unit that I want to do with. So I will select meters here. And here is the layer, the drive of the cat by motifs by. It means that you want to put the AutoCAD file into 3ds Max with a layer block or just color or color material or entity. So I just select the default one, that layer blocks as not hierarchy split by material, because when it split by material and layer, it will be easier for you to work do many steps further. There is some options for you to choose, and it is clear to understand when we read the sentences. But usually I use the default one, but there's something to notice is that auto smooth adjacent faces and the smooth angle. You can choose the number that you want to make it smooth. And texture mapping, here you can choose generate coordinate for all objects or no mapping coordinates. And yeah, curve step 10 or 20 is up to you. And the maximum surface deviation for 3 solids. Yeah, you can choose the one you want to do. And this is to include that you want include the point into the points from the AutoCAD file into the 3ds Max as well, or you already set a sun sky in the AutoCAD file and you want to put it into the 3ds Max as well. So just click sun and sky. But I didn't put anything into my AutoCAD file, and I don't want to put the sun and sky into 3ds Max because I want to make a new sun and sky for the 3ds Max file. So I just I turn off it. And views and cameras, it means when you select a view or a camera for the AutoCAD file, you also want it want to bring it into the 3ds Max file, it's okay to turn on this. But if if you want to create a new cameras or build, so just turn on it. Yeah, so okay. So this is the model that I already put it into 3ds Max. So that's it. Now where I can move or rotate it easily. So that's it. I finished importing the AutoCAD file into 3ds Max. Thank you for watching.